How can we develop a better inner voice? Picking up from yesterday's topic, I'm going to discuss this and the actions that I took to develop a better inner voice for myself. So about a year and a half ago, I was struggling with developing a better inner voice, and I was full of self-doubt in regards to my goals, and I was letting that inner voice in my head continuously win. And I wanted to change this because I knew that it's important to be able to control the reaction that I have to that inner voice, and I don't believe it anymore. Again, this is a practice, so this isn't something that I did just one day and I just got better at it. It took practice. It still takes practice. I listened to this video from Rohn. It's called Change Your Life in 3 Days. I listened to that video every single day for, I kid you not, 3 months, every single day on my way to work or whatever I was doing. I was meditating and I had nothing better to do. I would open up that video and listen to it. I gained so much perspective from that video because in that video, it discusses how to give yourself a better perspective on what it is that you're living through. So let's say, for example, the inner voice in my head said, I'll never be good at being a web developer, right? Because there's so much competition, this, that, and the third. But I started to talk to myself differently. I said, I'm getting better at this. I'm trying. And as I began to talk to myself this way through that difficult school that I went through, I got better. It was very challenging and it still is challenging. I'm just now starting my first year doing this web development stuff. I had no technical expertise or no technical knowledge, but I'm still applying myself. I'm working on projects that I think will be a good contributor, not only to my life, but to whoever else uses this application when it's ready. I'm still in the development process, but I'm getting close to the testing phase where I will be letting users test my application and get feedback to make it incrementally better over time. But the key thing that I want to focus on here is how to develop a better positive inner voice. How do we do that? Again, it's practice. I guarantee you, if you listen to that video from Rohn on YouTube, it's about 30 minutes, but if you listen to it, you'll learn so much about yourself.